Tina. Where is,
Hi.
I see Tina. How are you, Tina? Let's let them get you big.
Hi, Suzanne. How are you? I'm
Hey.
so excited to be here. Thank
I'm
you
so
for doing this.
excited
You're doing
you are
awesome.
here. Oh, thank you. Okay, so what's the big why?
The big why is because I want to achieve financial freedom, doing what I love, and spending more time with my two beautiful girls. I want to raise them as opposed to having someone else raise them for me, Suzanne.
How old are your girls?
5 and 3.
What is your business?
I do personal and professional coaching to women and moms.
But what's the problem you solve?
I want to basically share my life experiences through my personal life and my
Okay, so
professional life.
Tina, nobody gives
Yeah.
a damn about your life.
Okay.
No, you got to know that. Everybody on here know that. Nobody gives a damn about your life. We don't care about your life. You know why we don't care about your life? Doesn't mean we don't care about you. But you know why
No,
we don't
'cause
care
it's
about your
mine.
life? Because we got our own life. We care about our life. So, Tina, I'm so glad I chose you this morning because this is one of the biggest problems I see women in particular have in business. Is this, I want to share my experience with other people. Nobody has time in their life to sit around and get somebody else's experience shared with them, right? We're trying to pay bills. We're trying to raise children. We're trying to go to the grocery store. We're trying to now homeschool at home. We're trying to take care of elderly parents who've been trapped in their house for 3 months. We're trying to figure out how to start businesses. We're trying to figure out how to not kill our spouse. We're trying to right? We don't have time. We don't care about your life. But how many of you on this call got problems? How many of you on at this event got problems? We all got problems, right? And we need those problems solved. So what is the problem you solve?
I like to basically
stop. You are like, I'm gonna have to send you a $20 gift certificate. You are a perfect example for so many people. Nobody cares what you like, and you can't build a business off of things you like. Because it's not about what you like. It's about what's needed. And guys, business, the definition of business is commerce, and the definition of commerce is an exchange of goods for services. Nobody ever said, I like to do this, you should pay me for it. We don't care what you like to do. We don't care about your likes. We don't care about your life. We care about the problem you solve. So what problem do you know you can solve, Tina?
I can put together a kick-ass detailed plan on how to help you solve your problems.
Don't you love that? Isn't that so funny? But so life problems?
Life balance and scheduling and getting stuff done.
So choose one, right? That's what I want you to work on the next few days, is to hone it. Is this helpful, Tina? Are you getting where I'm coming from here?
Oh, yeah. No, absolutely.
Hone in on one thing, right? So is it, it may be, I help busy women get more done in less time without losing their mind in the process. So then you're kind of a productivity and life coach. That's fine. The problem I solve is you want to run the world and you're running yourself into the ground. See that?
Yeah.
So that language becomes very tangible. And we're going to get deep into this today, everybody. Deep into teaching the tangible side of this. But that's why I like to hear, like, your why, right? Like the why. I love your why. You want to raise your girls. You want to be there for your girls. So you want financial freedom to do that. To get that why, you've got to get super clear on their why, right? Your potential client's why. Your customers' why. And that's what we're going to be doing today. So the good news is you're in the perfect place, and I'm so happy to have you, and you have a beautiful why, but you don't have a tangible, specific business yet. And that's what I want you to walk out of here. I think at the end of the day, you could have that today because of what we're going to work on and teach today. Okay, Tina?
Oh God, Suzanne, I would be super happy and excited about that. Thank you for choosing me.
Listen, you're here, Tina. I'm here, Tina, and all that can happen is magic. We're going to knock this shit out. We got it.
Let's do it. Let's kick ass.
Give her a hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.